It's early morning in Little Cayman, and as the sunlight begins to stream into the water, the reef is waking up. Hundreds of fish of all breeds, shapes and sizes are gathering for what has become quite the party, their morning cleaning ritual. Here you'll find chubs, schoolmasters, grunts, goatfish and even the occasional grouper. And all of them have gathered here in the warm sunlight for the same reason, a good morning clean. Many fish are plagued by parasites, tiny, almost invisible bloodsuckers which burrow their way into tissue, scales, even mouths and gills to feed on the fish's body. This, as you can imagine, is rather annoying, so the fish head to certain parts of the reef, cleaning stations, where these constantly moving creatures assume a stationary pose, allowing small, parasite-eating fish like these juvenile wrasse to remove the annoying stowaways. This process is called Cleaning Symbiosis. The wrasse carefully pick away the parasites, and with them, any of their customers' dead skin that, while they may have no use for, is a tasty meal for the wrasse. Sometimes, however, the wrasse will take a bite of mucus and the occasional scale or two, causing their poor clients to either jerk away in pain or sometimes even chase after the careless grooming fish. This morning mass grooming continues for quite some time, with some Creole wrasse also joining the party. But as the fuss grows, another guest decides to take a look at what all the commotion is about. It's a shark, and he's definitely not there to get cleaned. It looks like the party may have to quieten down for a moment. The shark, however, seems to change his mind and heads back into deeper waters in search of a more substantial breakfast, and the coast is once again clear. It's time to get on with the day.